Okay, welcome to the next Blender tutorial. So today we're experimenting with glass and kind of diamond shapes as well. I'm going to go ahead to the render tab and switch out EV to cycles. And I'm going to go ahead and delete the default cube right here. And let's go ahead and add an icosphere. Just right here. So what I'm going to do is let's go ahead and do kind of like a side view on this side. So just press 1 on the number pad for that. So what I'm going to do is let's go to edit mode. And I will turn on the X-ray really quickly and we'll do points. Let's take the base off right here. So let's just press delete. Faces. I'm going to go ahead actually and just elongate this kind of slightly. So let's go ahead and get rid of this. Delete faces right here. Let's go ahead and select all of these. Press F for fill so that we've got the base filled right here. We're going to go S for scale. Bring this down. And I'm just going to go ahead and press G and bring this just kind of down here. So we're just experimenting with shapes on this one. And then I'm gonna go ahead and maybe take this top point right here. We can take this face right here. Let's go with this. And we'll take all of these, press delete, faces. Now you're gonna wanna go ahead and select all of these at the top right here. So go into your point select. We'll go with this, we'll press F for fill. And we kind of have a nice little rough diamond. Now what I would do as well is take all of these points in the midpoint right here. Just press S for scale. You should be able to just scale them down using the axes. Just try and get those roughly in place right there. And you've kind of got yourself a nice little diamond going on. So I'm going to go ahead with the top face right here and just go ahead and scale this in just ever so slightly. Alright, so once we've got something like this, let's go ahead and add in a plane, press S to scale. I'm gonna go ahead and just lay this down so you can go R for rotate. Just kind of sit it and fit it wherever you need it to be. So you can have this kind of roughly cut diamond. Press G, bring this up. You can go R for rotate if you want to. Just kind of put that to the side. So slightly, press G and bring this down to the plane. I'm just going to go ahead and just rotate this so it's straight along with the line right here, and then press G and bring it down. Just to about there. Alright, so once we've got something like this, what we can now do is let's go to the materials tab real quick. Right here, and we can go new. We'll go ahead and switch out this principal BSDF to a glass BSDF and just take down the roughness. Now we can press render and we can see what we have. So we have this nice little kind of diamond shape going on. If you want to go ahead, you can duplicate this so you can have many little diamonds. You can go ahead with Shift D to duplicate and bring this over. And you want to go ahead with R for rotate and then use the Z axis to just move that around. So yeah, that's a little quick tutorial on how to kind of make some little diamonds, I guess. Yeah, so if you guys liked, please subscribe and I will see you in the next one. Enjoy.